I bet you didn't know this plate was edible. Yeah, I made another realistic egg. Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today's video I'll show you how I made the spaghetti cake. Keep watching. First, I made the plate out of modeling paste using my plate at home as the mold, as you see me doing here, and I left that for a day to dry and harden up. So I made my spaghetti base out of cookies and cream cake filled with leftover buttercream. I carved that out into a dome shape to form the base of my spaghetti. So I went ahead and covered the dome cake with leftover chocolate ganache. So you can see I'm using everything leftover because, yeah, making a realistic cake is quite expensive. So I'm glad I could use most of my leftover icing for this project because that saved me the cost of making my icing from scratch. So yeah, I went ahead to roll out some ivory fondant to cover up this base of the spaghetti cake. Now my plate is ready and is rock hard. So I just dusted it to remove all the cornstarch. Place my dome cake on it, ready for my spaghetti. So the next thing I did was to color a white fondant with my ivory color, but I still wasn't getting the exact ivory color shade of the spaghetti. So I used this extruder to get out the spaghetti shape. This was like the most difficult aspect of this realistic cake because of the time it took. I have to do this several times to get until I exhausted all my ivory shade fondant and I wasn't ready to color any more ivory shade. I was just tired at this point. I brushed some crystal shortening on the cake just to allow the spaghetti strands to stick on it. You could use steam. You could steam it or use water. So you can see me here bringing out the strand of the spaghetti. It looks like spaghetti anyway, but except for the color. So I did this several times just to cover the whole cake and fill the plates. So I made my sauce out of jam. I just added a yellow color to it to tone out the redness of the jam. If you watch this video to this point and you like this video, please hit the like button, and also if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please subscribe, share this video. Can you guess what I'll be making next? I'm scared of asking you guys to give me an idea of what to make next. because I feel you are going to give me a difficult challenge which I'm not ready for yet. But just in case you would like to drop an idea of what to make next, please drop a simple challenge in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching. See you in my next video.